Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi is not connecting or is not working on your PC. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, both you can try this method on both of these windows. So let's start the video. For the first method, go to the search option on here, just type troubleshoot troubleshoot settings. This is the one, click it, and here you can see additional troubleshooters. Let's click that option and find the network adapter or network and internet settings. Just click it and select run troubleshoot, and it will detect your problems and troubleshoot on its own to resolve this issue, and you will get fixed your Wi-Fi or internet problem. If this doesn't work, the second method is on the search option, just type network reset, click it to open and select reset now and select yes, and after that the PC will automatically shut down after 5 minutes, but you can restart your PC and see if the problem is solved or not. If uh, your if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, you have to give the password again and connect to your PC. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you the next one.